What is up, guys? It is me, Gravy, again, doing another video. And today I'm going to show you how to change your Favicon, on your website for the Power Lead system. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. I'm going to go to my websites. Then I'm going to go to Edit. Alright, it's very simple. It's very simple. A lot of people think you need to have some HTML like experience, but you really don't. You really don't. And I'm gonna go to Edit Text. And the Favicon, I'm gonna show you exactly what that is. This is what a Favicon is right here. You see last year being broke plan and the little logo. It's called a Favicon. And if you ever wanted to know how you could change that and put in your own logo, I'm gonna show you how you can do that right now. That's what they call a Favicon. All right. So what you want to do once you get to whatever website that you want to change the Favicon to, you want to go to Image. All right. Then hit Browse Server, and then you're gonna choose your image. First, you gotta upload it to the server, so the server can recognize that you have an image to upload. Alright. And then here I got two logos. I'm gonna use this one. Alright, what you wanna do, you wanna copy. Once you uploaded it and once you got to this point, you wanna copy it, copy the URL and hit cancel. You wanna cancel it. Hit OK. Now what you wanna do, you wanna go to source, open up the HTML, Control, and then hit Control F, and then type in icon. Okay. Now, as you can see, icon, and you can see a .png. Basically, this is the image that you guys just seen. I'm gonna as you can see, you got the quotation marks. So you're just gonna highlight everything in between the quotation marks and paste what you just copied. Alright, so now the Favicon is changed now, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Alright, and then you just hit save, and then we're gonna load it up. I don't think I signed it yet. Here we go. Bam. There you have it. See my logo right there? That is how you do that. Alright, so this is what you would see when you opt in. I got everything laid out for you. Hopefully this doesn't look too complicated. I'm basically show you guys. This is the comp plan for PLS.
The examples in this video.
Watch the video. If you have a laptop, if you're open to making money online, if you're open to things like that, then this is the perfect platform for you. And you know, maybe you have heard about making money online, but have you heard about the effective programs, the programs that are already proven? Have you heard about those? Maybe you heard about another program or one that's not so great that you fell into the hype. But have you heard about any effective ways to make money online? Any effective systems? Here at the Last Year Being Broke plan, I really just want to make things simple, just make it really simple for you guys, and then I want to obtain leverage with YouTube and everything else. Obtain leverage, just keeping things simple. This tab right here goes into the marketing system, the Power Lead system. This page right here will go into SMS phone leads. If you want to put your business phone on autopilot, so you don't have to have unexpected business calls. That's also very powerful. Like your own personal assistant. I really wanted to, lay everything out. Hopefully this is not too much for you guys. Just let me know what you guys think about this. System right here, and if it's too complex, I can definitely change it. But and the personal development is nothing more than just audios talking about success secrets, and you're gonna hit continue, and then this is a free membership. You don't have to pay for anything. These audios have really changed my life because there's like 14 or 15 different audios, like an hour each, and I went through half of it already, and it's really powerful. It's really powerful. Yeah, again, this is free. This is nothing more than just like a podcast, just like for your personal development. And again, this is how you get this is the traffic sources. This is where you can get traffic right here. Everything is laid out for you. Like everything is laid out here. So just watch the videos, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the Favicon video helps you in whatever you're trying to do to make money online. And if you guys have any questions, just contact me. All the links will be in the description. Take care, guys. See you on the inside.